tickets. Hi, my name's Fievel Mousekewitz.
I win again! Flathead!
I say you're cheating. You played your last hand, Schule.
I don't think so. I got 7 more! Dog chow!
Well, you dirty, rotten, low-down, double-dealer.
I don't get it, boss. How come we're not munching those mice back there?
Oui, this fraternity with mice does run counter to nature.
Which would you rather have, the crouton or the entire Caesar salad? Of course we will eat the mice, but only after we have exploited their labors. We are nice to the mice because it is intelligent to be so, you see. If we talk sweetly, they will come in droves. If we hiss, they will run, and we will have to chase after them, an unnecessary expenditure of calories.
So, when do we take the big bite, boss?
When do we get to eat them? When?
When my empire at Green River is complete, and when we have a better mousetrap.
Mouse!
Yes, mouse burgers indeed. Music to aid the digestion.
Next stop, mouth, throat, stomach, intestine, and you guessed it, Green River.
So, what do we have here? It appears to be a young pioneer. Now, the feline in me would like to devour this tender young morsel, but the shrewd businessman in me knows that if I do, the other mice will miss him and come looking for him.
Oh, the gourmet in me quivers at the thought of mouse tartar.
But the entrepreneur prefers not to be inundated by suspicious mice that could jeopardize my plan. So I must exercise both willpower and finesse. Scamper back to your parents, little mouse, and do be careful. It's frightfully hazardous out there.
Bye.
Give him the flying R and make it good.
The flying R! I love the flying R! Mouse overboard!
Where? What?
I just love the flying R!
Fievel! Fievel, my son!
Not be a fool, Mousekewitz!
Once upon a time, a little mouse took the world by storm.
Papa!
On his journey, he found a land of enchantment,
Mama!
a land of new beginnings.
What's that over there?
Well, that is more America.
Can we go see it?
Someday you will.
Now, someday is here, as Steven Spielberg presents An American Tale. Fievel Goes West. The further adventures of the Mousekewitz family. As they meet old friends.
Get me out of here! Tiger!
And new enemies.
What do we have here? It appears to be a young pioneer.
From the mean streets of New York City.
I see you're missing an eye, Pilgrim. That's right. I'm talking to you.
To the wide open spaces where a young mouse can stand tall.
It's too tough, kid. Get out while you still can.
where dreams can come true.
Someday I'll be a big star. Where's the girl you left behind?
And a cowardly cat can get a new start as
A dog.
A dog?
a dog.
Come on, Tiger. We're rooting for you.
With the voice talents of Dom DeLuise,
Cat got your tongue?
Amy Irving,
After all, we'll always have the Bronx.
John Lovitz,
You place your last hand, Shula.
I got 7 more! Dog chow!
John Cleese,
Let the saliva flow!
and Jimmy Stewart.
You want to intimidate someone, give them the lazy eye.
From Amblin Entertainment and Steven Spielberg, An American Tale, Fievel Goes West.